Now let's look at this question again. And here it says an electron of charge 1.6 times 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs and mass 9.1 times 10 to the power of minus 31 kilogram is accelerated between two metal plates with velocity of 4 times 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. Now the potential difference between the plates is, okay, now first of all we just need, let us write out the parameters. Now the charge Q is given as 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Now the mass of the electron is 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. The velocity 4 times 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. Okay, and we are asked to find the potential difference V. Okay, now what equation relates all these terms? Now take note. Let us assume this is the two plates. Now an electron is accelerated between them. Okay, which means there is a work done for the electron to have probably moved from here to B. Okay, which involves what? Energy. Now to this point, now we can actually say that the energy here now equals to the product of the charge times the potential difference. Variably, we actually know that work done equals to what? Charge equals to the product of charge times and the potential difference. Okay, but this work here expelled what? Energy, and that energy in form of what? Kinetic energy. So here our E here will be equated to the what? The kinetic energy. That will be 1 all over 2 mass V squared equals what? QV. Now this is actually velocity, and this is what? Potential difference. And we are told to make to find the value of the potential difference. So which means let us divide both sides by Q. This, then our V, which is our potential difference, becomes mv squared all over 2q. Alright, so to this end, when I say that V, that's the potential difference, equals mass, that will be 9.1 times 10 to the power of minus 31 times the velocity 4 times 10 to the power of 7 all to the power of 2, then all over 2 times our charge 1.6 times 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, to this end, our V now becomes 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 31. Let's open the bracket here. That will become 16 times 10 to the power of 2 times this 4 will be raised to the power of 2, and this exponent will multiply by 2, which will give us what? 14. Then all over, now 2 times 1.6, that should give us 3.2. 3.2 times 10 to the power minus what? 19. Okay, moving further here, our V becomes, now let us probably use our calculator. Now 9.1 times 16, 9.1 times 16 will give us 145.6, then times 10. Now minus 31 plus 14. And that should give us 17 here, minus 17. Then all over 3.2. Now 10 raised to the power of minus 19, bringing it over to the numerator, our 19 becomes plus. So this will, we're left with 1.5.6 divided by 3.2. So this will give us 45.5 times 10 raised to the power of, here we have that will be 2, right? That will be minus 17 plus 19, that should give us 2. Okay, so bringing our decimal to this point, now plus 1, so here we have 4.55 times 10 to the power what? 3 volts. Alright, that's all. Now if you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.